Have you ever been in this situation where you want to design and you don't know the best fonts to combine or pair together? As a graphic designer, this can be frustrating and is not good because for you to have a good design, you need to make use of the best fonts combination. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload fonts in Canva, how to pair your fonts so you can get the best design you desire. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I will be showing you this website which has paired fonts, as you can see, which you can just download and use in your design totally for free. So to upload your fonts into Canva, let's say this is your design that you're working on. You just come to one of the texts, you click on it, then you have where it says now fonts. You click to open it up, then you scroll down. You are going to see where it says here that upload fonts. You click on it. Then it's going to take you now to your computer where you have saved your fonts. You just tap on it now and then you open. And it's going to ask you this. You click yes. And it's going to be uploaded, as you can see. When it is uploaded now, you scroll down. You reach this area where it says uploaded fonts. And this is the font here that we have uploaded. If I want to change what is here now, I can just tap on it. And it's going to change, as you have seen. And this is here, the font that I've downloaded. So that is the way you need to use to upload your fonts to Canva. Now, to be able to pair your fonts correctly so that you have a very good design, there are two main ways you can go about it. The first way, you come on this left section where you see fonts, where you see text, so you click on it. Then when you scroll down, you are going to arrive this section where it says font combinations. It's Canva which has suggested you these font combinations. And if you use them in your design, it's going to be very good. So these are the font combinations here, as you can see. These are the combinations. You can just tap to add it to your design and start using. So now, based on the other method, let's say for example, you want to do a design for children events or a wedding event or a fashion event, and you don't know which fonts to use. Because if you use this first method I've shown you, you will not know which font to use. If this is a fashion font, a good font for fashion or for children event or for wedding event, you will not know. Now this second method is going to help you to show you how you can get fonts which are good for fashion, marriages, and any event that you want to create. So to do that now, you come to your design section, still on the left section, you come to your design section. Here where it says template, just try by searching the event you want to create. For example, let's say you want to create it for a wedding. We just type wedding. And when you search wedding, it's going to provide you now with fonts. As you can see, these are fonts which are already being used in some designs. Let me just add this, another empty page. You can see these are fonts which are already being used in another design. So now, since Canva has already provided this to us, we know that these two fonts are going to go very well together. Yeah, so you can just use them like this. And now, let's say you are using it in your design and you just want only those fonts. For example, I don't want to use the design like this. I just want only the fonts. What do you do? So now, if you have a design like this that you have already created, you come here and you see a font that you want to use. Just hover over these three dots. You click on it. Then you have this interface. Now you're going to see apply text only, apply color only, apply elements. If you click on apply text only, it's going to apply this text that we have selected here because it's what we are looking for at this moment for wedding that we want to create. You click on it, it will add the text. As you can see now, my text has changed. If you add the text now like this to your design, so that's how you can do to get exactly fonts that you desire to use. Or again, you want to create it for a children event, you just come and you search on children. You come to template and you scroll down. You have children. You already know that this text is good for children event and you can use it on your design as I've just shown you. So now this is the website where you get your fonts that they have already paired together. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please just like, comment, and you subscribe. It lets me know that I'm creating good content for you. So this is the website, fontshare.com. When you come to this website, please always read the licenses. Come here and you read all the licenses. Up here it says all font share fonts are 100% free for personal and commercial use. So you should be aware of that. You read everything here. Then on the dashboard, you have pairs. As I've clicked now like that, you scroll down and you see pairs, font pairs that I've already done for you. This is a font I've already paired them for you. That you can just go ahead and you download, which I'll be showing you in just a second. Now, if you see a font that you want, you come here to where it says fonts, you click on it. Then you scroll down, you search the fonts you want that you have seen. These are them here. The one that I show you in the video, this is it. You come to view family, then you come to download family, and then you download the fonts. Here like this, you click it and download. This is another one, fontpair.co. The same thing, pairings. You click here, you get the font pairing that I've already paired together that you can use. You see the font you want, you come here to fonts and you download it. So that is it.